Hello, I'm gonna present the topic power of visual communication. You may found ample amount of information about this topic on internet on many sites, but I have tried to compile all that information to make it easy to understand. In power of visual communication, we'll discuss about topics visual communication, its importance, history of visual communication, types of visual communication, its advantages, disadvantages, and why it works, and what is the power of visual communication. So first of all, we'll discuss about visual communication. Visual communication is the communication of ideas through the visual display of information. We express our ideas in form of visuals which leaves an impact on audience or people. Now we'll discuss about history of visual communication. When writing was not invented, history was preserved in paintings, in rocks and caves in form of visuals more than 40,000 years ago. Visual communication is the oldest form of communication. Now we'll talk about types of visual communication. Graphs. Graphs is an important part of visual communication. It shows relationship between two different quantities. It helps reader to grasp things effortlessly. Objects. Objects are used for demonstrations, discussions, explanations, and mostly for educational purpose. Maps. When we need to search places, maps always comes handy. Models. Models are used to explain things in detail. Photographs and images. Photographs and images are the great tool to explain things in detail. It can have a great influence on people. Tables. Tables are easy to understand as they give us facts and information in an organized way. Drawings and diagrams. Drawings and diagrams are used to give us specific information. Ideograms. Ideograms are used to describe different kinds of symbol. Logograms. Logograms are described to pictorial symbols. Alphabets. Alphabets have played a major role in development of visuals. Books. Books are the portable intellectual physical object. Statistics and data visualization. And data visualization is great in study of different types of data. Infographics. Use graphics to represent information quickly and clearly. Graphic designing. Graphic designing used in field of marketing, promotion and advertising. Videos. Videos are introduced in 1951. It is the most powerful tool of visual communication. Projectors and presentation. It gives us message in most effective way. Social media is an effective, powerful, accepted and popular visual communication medium. Elements of visual communication include shapes, colors, layouts and features. Textures. Now we'll discuss about some tips to create successful visual communication content. Number 1, consider your content. If your content is suitable or not. Know your audience. You should know your audience and you should know that your content is suitable for the audience or not. Expand your options. Be clever with colors. Make it stand out but not apart. The new visual appeal have chance to be remembered than familiar one. Be clever with contrast. Own it. Where possible, use images. Involve your audience. Get emotional. Move it for meaning. Means add visuals that have a meaning in depth. Now we'll talk about importance of visual communications. Easy explanation. Visuals are easy to comprehend. It is flexible, gives us instant response. So it helps us in taking decisions faster. It helps to present complex information in a simple way to understand. It is great for people who are unable to understand written complex things. It is more eyes pleasing. It helps us to increase your reach many people through one image. It is the popular form of communication. Visuals have played an important role in our life. We always say show don't tell because we believe in things which we have seen compare than which we heard. Strong visuals can connect with an audience faster and with more emotion than words alone. Now we'll talk about why it works. We remember stories more effectively than any other thing. In world of social media, visual contents are more important. Benefits like clarity and efficiency, it also breaks the social economic barriers. Research suggests that we are far better at learning and remembering content we have seen in pictures than text and any other communication methods. Human mind process things in images. Visuals helps us to clarify and comprehend information. Human brain process visuals up to 60,000 times faster than text. Now we'll discuss about some advantages of visual communication. It delivers information faster and directly. It is more attention grabbing, and it makes a good impact on audience. Now we'll discuss about some disadvantages of visual communication. If irrelevant information or poorly designed visuals are presented, images can distract and can convey wrong meaning. Visual communication is powerful because mind remembers 80% of what we see, 20% of what we read, and 10% of what we hear. Here is the explanation of power of visual communication. We are becoming visual mediated society. Here is the summary of whole presentation through these visuals. So the conclusion of this presentation is that we remember more things we have seen compared than what we hear and what we read. Here is a reference to sources which I have used to collect all this information. I hope this presentation have helped you in understanding power of visual communication in better way. Hope you liked the presentation. Thank you.